online teaching job is gaining high popularity, especially after the pandemic situation, and it is going to gain the popularity in future also, because the people are preferring to learn online. Students are preferring for various online courses, and they want to study online from various good online applications, online platforms. Even the online platforms give good opportunity to teacher to explore more in their career, where teacher can earn good money by working from home. Teacher also can work according to their convenience, and the platform which we are going to discuss in today's video, here you can work without disturbing your regular schedule, and also you can earn very good money on this platform. So we are going to discuss in detail about the best online teaching platform and genuine platform for online teaching is Chegg. Here we are going to discuss in detail about how you can apply, how you can get selected, how will be the work schedule, what is your work responsibility, how will you earn money, how you can earn money by working part-time or by working full-time. So this video is going to be in detail, and here you can work as a subject matter expert.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
A subject matter expert from Chegg will receive many benefits, like they can work from home, they can work part-time or full-time according to their convenience. Laptop is not required. You can work from your mobile and your mobile internet. You have to submit only online answers. You can write down your answers and upload, or you can write down your answers on their website. The questions will be posted by students from various countries. Here there will be no live session, so you just need to give the answer, upload the answer. So no setup of laptop or anything is required here. You need not to engage your particular time for any live sessions. So as you get time, you can write down the answer and upload. Here there is no time binding to work. There is no minimum count you need to maintain on daily basis. So here the answer submitted by you is according to you, like you can submit as many as answers, or if you do not submit any answer for a day, that is also fine on Chegg. So it is very convenient platform. You can totally work as per your convenience whenever you can work, and also if you give your good amount of time, then you can really earn good income. So here the Chegg also provides the regular job, also they provide the freelancing job. So the freelancing job can be done from your home, and if you wanted to apply for a full-time job, regular kind of job, then you have to apply on their website and you can report to their office if you get selected. But if you wanted to apply for a freelancing, then this kind of job you can do from your home also as per your time schedule. If you wanted to become a subject matter expert on Chegg, where you can work from home, then you need to have a graduate or a postgraduate degree. You can apply on their website. Also from Naukri they can fetch your profile. So on naukri.com you have to mention your preference, and also you can apply to Chegg from various other job sites too. So here now we will see how you can apply to Chegg as a subject matter expert and work from home job through naukri.com. Here on naukri.com you have to mention your key skills which will match to Chegg job profile. Also you can register on Chegg website and apply for the relevant job. While applying to Chegg as a subject matter expert for a work from home job, you have to select your subject too for which you are going to apply. Chegg has exposure to many subjects, so you can choose one of the subject of your interest and you can apply for the job. So the subjects which are available to be chosen are finance, commerce, arts, maths, science, computers and many more. So you can choose one of them and you can apply for the job. once you get selected, you will be working on your selected subject. That is, you'll be getting questions on the subject which you have been applied, and you need to submit the answers related to that subject only. So once you have applied for the job on Chegg through their website or through Naukri.com, you will get a mail or call from their side where they specify you'll be working as a work from home freelancing subject matter expert. After that, there will be a selection process, that is recruitment process, where your job application will get shortlisted. After that, they will send out you a written test link which you have to clear. Once you clear the written test, you need to submit all the required documents. Once you get selected, you will be assigned as a subject matter expert on Chegg. They will add you in their WhatsApp group. After that, you can log into their site and you can attempt the various questions. There is no minimum and maximum limit of questions that can be answered in a day. You can answer as many as question, or you can answer no question even in a day. Here you need not to give any live sessions to students, so you need not to plan a proper time for the work, but here you just need to write down the answer and upload the answer on Chegg websites. So here you can upload your answers as per your schedule, and you need not to disturb your routine schedule while doing this work responsibility. So this Chegg subject matter expert job gives you very much flexibility. Now here the time needs to be invested is depending on how much question you will be answering. So here, if you answer one question, so if the question is easy, you can take only 10 minutes to answer the question and upload the answer. But if the question is tough, then you can take a 30-minute to answer and upload the answer. They have some time limitation for one particular question. So once you select the question and start attempting the answer of that question, the time frame will start, and you have to finish your answer before that time frame ends. But generally you can answer the question before the time frame only, and if at any point you want to leave that question, then also you can leave that particular question if you are thinking you are not able to answer. So it gives you high flexibility, because here if you cannot answer some questions, so you can skip as many as questions you want, and you can answer the question which you think you are confident in. So if you do not solve any question in a day, then also it is fine. If you solve 20 questions in a day, that is also it's a fine. So earning totally depending on the questions that you answer. So here the earning will be dependent on the subject that you choose to answer the question. Like the subject finance has a earning of 100 rupees for one answer. The marketing subject will have earning 90 rupees per answer. So in this way, the subjects earning are dependent on the questions that you attempt and submit, and the answers will get approved by the other side team members or students. Then you will get credited with the amount in your account. So if you answer one question in a day, then you will earn 100 rupees in a day. If you answer 10 questions in a day, then you will earn 1000 rupees in a day. So in this way your earning is defined. So if you give 6 hours a day in a month on regular basis, then you can attempt almost around 12 questions in a day, and you can earn up to 50,000, 70,000, even you can earn up to 1 lakh if you give more time. So it will all depend on how much time you invest, how much questions you answered. So you can even earn up to 1 lakh or 1 lakh plus. So on Chegg you can work as per your convenience. If you wanted to earn a good amount, then you can invest a good amount of time on check. If you just wanted to add on to your income, then you can work hardly for 1 or 2 hour for a day, or 2 to 3 hour for a day, so that you can just add on to your regular earning. So in this way you can earn good amount and just answer your questions without disturbing your schedule. So the questions are tough as well as there are easy questions too. So if you find some questions are really tough in a day, then you can skip all those questions and you can attempt the easy question which you feel you can answer confidently. So in this way you can work with flexibility without disturbing your schedule, and still you can earn a good amount on check. Let me know if you have any questions on this, as I have worked with check, so I can answer all your questions. Do like the video, share and subscribe to get the more notifications from Interview Guide. Thank you.